Hey, my name is Doug, and Force One was kind enough to send me this drone to do a quick video review on, so we'll do that. This drone is one that does have headless mode. It also has altitude hold, and like most drones, it does have the option when you press a button to do a 360-degree flip. It does have a one key start and land option. It is a 4-channel unit, and it is high visibility with the bright LEDs. So we're going to do a unboxing and then see what's inside, all the parts, and then take it out and do some quick flights with it, so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so we'll open the box here and let's see what's inside. The box real nice, is packaged. Alrighty. It does give the information on Force One. 180 day spare parts guarantee. Register by sending a text to Force One, so that's nice. And you can see it is just nice green and white. Okay, here's the drone itself, and then we have a spare parts bag and an instruction manual. Okay, so the drone itself, and then the spare parts. There's extra battery. We do have a USB battery charger and some extra props, as well as, I say, the battery. I believe there is another battery inside the drone itself as well. And this is a 2-level plastic enclosure. They do have it sealed up really nice. A lot of protection there. Let's pull this off. And we'll pull the drone itself out. And you can see a good sized drone for something for indoors. And yes, there is a battery inside, so we do have 2 batteries with it. And we'll pull the top off of here. Okay, we have our controller. And this is all packaged really nice. I'm impressed with that. Okay. And without looking at any of the options on the drone, like I said, it does show on the instructions and on the box that it did have altitude hold, so there is spring return on here. Really, just average controller. Looks like a lot of them that you see. Power button, and then your fine adjustments. This here is for your start and landing, your one-touch takeoff and landing. This button here then is for changing to headless mode. On the front we have this button here, which is your 360-degree flip, and then this one here will be your high and low speed. Okay. Okay, the drone itself does have a power switch underneath, and I believe, yeah, pull the door open, and yeah, the second battery is installed here, and it is your typical 3-volt battery, 3.7 volt, with a standard little white connector on there. Okay. All right. Now we do have the batteries installed in here. So this is one. Turn the drone on. And then you see the lights. And then we take the remote, turn it on, and then to pair the remote, like some of them, up and back, and there we go. Okay, and then now we're ready to take off. So we'll take this outside and see how it works.
There we go. Okay, you're on.
All right. Pair it with the remote. It's blinking, you can't tell because of the setting. All right.
I'll try and keep track of it.
Yeah, it fires the motors up. We'll see if we can.
There we go.
Fights the wind. I'm leaning into the wind pretty good. We went on it's got two settings, high and low speed.
Yeah.
And that's on the second one. You can see how it tips a little more. On the first one, it's not quite as much. The wind blows a little bit more, so we'll see about bringing it
I'm
down.
not sure where it's at. Oh, there it is. Hello.
Cover's pretty good, but it definitely need it on the second one, even if this will breathe a lot. I think it does have.
Oh, cool.
Pretty good. It's just a little breezy. Take out a little bit. I don't know if you can see it.
I may have lost it.
It's pretty stable once you get the hang of it. It's kind of.
Oh, there I can see the lights are on.
You can kind of see, well, and it's got two green props in the front and two white ones in the rear. So if you see the green coming toward you. It speeds along pretty good. Not bad. We can land it too. Should just shut down. Okay.
Nice.
Cool.